This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vanessa Gum. Unique two-story townhome boasting the largest floor plan in Lakeside and IRP on Hutchinson Island. Unit has been renovated from top to bottom, featuring breathtaking lake views from the two enclosed patios, one on main level, the other on the top level. Thoughtfully designed kitchen with updated appliances and quartz countertops was expanded by relocating the washer/dryer to the second level. Enjoy the amazing view as soon as you open the door, throughout the kitchen, dining, living room, and enclosed patio area. The owners have fully appointed the unit with high-end furnishings, lighting, and window treatments. The floors are luxury vinyl throughout. The custom glass/metal railing invite you to the second level with the guest suite and primary suite. The guest suite features private screen patio, and a custom-built closet and vanity area. The primary ensuite boasts the expanded lake view in the enclosed patio, custom-built cabinetry for closets, and huge bathroom with custom tile shower. For more